So here's a quick story. Meteorologist Jesse Huila comes to town, okay? It's a true story. God is my witness. And Cynthia goes, I want to take you out, Jesse, and I want to treat you to like the best burger in town. She doesn't take Jesse to Dell, she takes him to Brahms. I mean, because she's a big spender, and then she had Jesse pay.
I'm just
true
simple.
story.
I like
Joe,
Brahms.
I'm not making that up.
I don't eat bougie burgers like they do.
Oh, yeah, like Whataburger, In and Out. But yeah, she took him to Brahms. I'm like, that's an interesting choice.
I like Brahms, but
I love Brahms.
I like it a lot. I wouldn't call it like the best burger in all of North Texas, though.
No good deed goes unpunished.
Okay, let me get into this. Okay, we don't have any severe weather out there right now. We have a couple little spotty showers. I don't have severe weather in my forecast overnight tonight, but a little bit of rain. If you hear a rumble of thunder, you see a little strike of lightning, don't be surprised. 20% of us have rain in our forecast overnight, and that's what we're seeing right now up here at Decatur, Denton, up to Bowie and Gainesville and Sherman. Again, it's just some real light rain showers. There's midnight. Check this out. I mean, a little bit of rain overnight. There's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We may even see some sun tomorrow afternoon. So there's a little spotty rain in the morning. Here's noon. Little spotty rain, but as we head into the latter part of the afternoon, then into the evening, some of these thunderstorms off to the west and northwest, some of those are the ones that could produce some hail tomorrow. So I believe the majority of North Texas tomorrow will be dry. There's just a low chance of some small hail and some gusty winds with some thunderstorms that fire up as we head through the afternoon and also through the evening. There's 7 o'clock. Here's midnight tomorrow night. And then let's head toward sunrise on Wednesday. Late tomorrow night, a little bit of rain. I don't have a lot of rain tomorrow. I don't have a lot of rain in my forecast late tomorrow night. But things start to change as we get into the day on Wednesday. As I mentioned earlier this afternoon, the early evening newscast, I mentioned Wednesday's the day. So watch this. There's 7 o'clock in the morning. Some showers and thunderstorms. There's noon. Then as we hit, I can't rule out some severe weather Wednesday morning, but I believe it's more likely as we head through Wednesday afternoon. And any one of these storms could produce some hail that could be up to quarter size, some 60-mile-an-hour winds, and maybe, just maybe, a very brief, isolated, weak tornado. I can't rule that out on Wednesday afternoon. There's 3 p.m., here's 5 p.m., here's 7 p.m. You can see the rain still around. It's not 100% coverage. Right now I have 80% coverage with the rain on Wednesday. 7 p.m., 9 p.m., we still have some rain, and it's starting to come to an end by about midnight, late Wednesday night. This is midnight technically, 12 a.m. on Thursday for all of you keeping score. Here we go. Wednesday afternoon and evening. I believe that's the best time for some severe storms. That would be the quarter-size hail I talked about, the 60-mile-an-hour winds, and the very, very brief isolated tornado. That can't be ruled out either. All three of those, they're in the forecast. So as I mentioned, tomorrow and tomorrow night, only about 20% of us see some rain. And again, a thunderstorm could produce some severe hail. That's why there's a WFA Weather Alert Day in play tomorrow, and certainly with 80% coverage on Wednesday, and some of those storms turning severe with the wind and hail and the low tornado threat, we have a WFA Weather Alert Day there. But then it's dry on Thursday, partly sunny skies, a little scattered rain on Friday. Right now, I don't have severe weather in my forecast Friday. I also have a little bit of rain on Saturday and Sunday. And I may be, candidly, I may be too high on my rain coverage on Saturday and Sunday. Many of the models are trending dry. A couple of them are trending a little wetter, but 20% may be a little much, but we'll tweak that as we head through the next several days. How much rain will we pick up? And the bulk of this is going to fall on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. We could see around an inch or so here. Higher amounts up to the north. You can see that anywhere from Wichita Falls all along the Red River. That's why we have that flood watch in effect for those locations, and that goes through Thursday morning. So for tonight, only 20% of us see a little bit of rain. Cloudy and humid for all of us. 68's the low tonight. Then during the day tomorrow, it's a cloudy day, it's a humid day, it's a breezy day. We should see some peaks of sun tomorrow. I don't have a lot of sun in my forecast, but some peaks of sun. Again, warm and humid. We hit 85 tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. And then as you look at Thursday, it's dry. There's that little bit of rain on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. And then as you look at the final 7 of the 14 days, you ready, Cynthia?
Let's see.
There we go. Look at that. Tuesday, May 6th, a little bit of rain. Then after that, Joe,
dry.
The spigot shuts off.
Where's your Mother's Day sign?
Is Mother's Day on there? You know, I just looked today. Jackie said, do you have a Mother's Day card for your mom? And I looked, I keep it in a safe place at my house, and I said, I have her birthday card.
He forgot.
It's on Sunday the 11th.
Sunday the 11th, I'll have to know.